What have you got?
Yeah, Jamie? Ooh. Hey, chicken. Now you're interested. Don't look up there.
He wants to see what his mama's doing. Say, hey, there's stuff over here too. Spin him around, Derek.
Uh-huh. You got it. Don't hit him in the head with that thing.
I'm not going to.
Yeah, too rough.
He's like,
he's gonna whack himself with that.
he'll figure it out. Is that cool?
Is his back okay like that?
He's okay. If he wasn't okay, he wouldn't be doing it. He's not going to hurt himself. It's like, Cammy, don't. Leave him be. Is that yummy?
I think that's a yummy pig. That's a pig. It's a yummy pig. Look. Pig in the sheep. A-C-R, 1, 2, 3. Eat it. Yeah, eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
You gotta taste everything, huh?
Now let's take Mr. Sheepy. Hey, up here. Hey, It's delicious. I like sheep.
Jane, it's not everything is for your mouth.
So yes, Daddy, everything is for my mouth.
It's delicious. Jamie, over here. Come here. Come here.
Look, he wants to taste that. He's standing up. What are you doing, silly boy?
Hold on. Here. There you go. Now you can bring it towards you better. Yeah, good boy. You're a smart boy. Yes, you are.
Hey, you. I want to be like that, too. Is the cow always left out?
You're a smart boy. And drooly.
Why do you always like Mr. Pig? Mr. Cow life is better for you. Cow is steak.
He wants that, too.
Think you care about?
He's like, in my mouth, please.
What are you gonna do for dinner? Should I get pizza?